Here are the colored versions of our planters for $18. Incredibly strong and last for a very long time. Making planters without a mold is complicated. Here we actually create a skeleton using rebar, 1/4-inch rebar. We weld the pieces together. We make two squares, one 30 centimeters and one 40 centimeters. We join those two squares with a 40 centimeter piece of rebar so we get this shape. This shape has to be strong, so we weld it really well in the corners, and after that it gets wrapped. And what I mean by wrapped is we use galvanized wire to wrap the shape so that it has something to bond the cement to. So with the skeleton complete, we actually start cutting this galvanized wire mesh to fit the sides perfectly. Once we wrap this entire structure with this galvanized material, we tie it to the skeleton really well. It's very important to tie it nicely to the skeleton. And then it goes on to the cement. We basically make this really plasticky cement mix that is very rich, 2-to-1, so it dries very quickly. It is loaded with polypropylene fiber. The fiber really helps to add strength in the future. You want this cement to wrap around the galvanized, so sometimes we lift it up a little bit to get the cement to go underneath. Always do this on top of a plastic garbage bag because it separates so nicely after it dries. We usually do this with 5 planters at the same time, so it makes it worthwhile. And what happens here is we're smoothing out the surface to get everything nice and smooth on the inside of the planter. And here we're leveling it out, making it nice and smooth. So you would wait 2 hours and then you would do the next side. By waiting 2 hours, you actually can rotate the planter to go on its side, so you can do a next side. We like to use these planters as retaining walls and actually put them quite deep in the soil. That way everything grows really well.